Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Traverse. Chevy Traverse is more stylish than minivans and far more fuel and space efficient than truck-based SUVs. Crossovers like the Traverse are excellent family vehicles. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, tires, front all season, tires, rear all season, fog lamps, FWD, HID headlights, integrated turn signal mirrors, privacy glass, four-wheel disc brakes. Come take a test drive today.